Good morning, children. Now we will learn next lesson in English. Open page number 28. Lesson number 3, The Little Pine Tree. Okay, children. So, now label this tree using the clues. So, this is branches. 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 This is trunk. 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 Okay, this is roots and these are leaves. 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 Okay, so once a little pine tree grew in a valley. So what is valley? Flat land at the foot of the mountains. So see here, children. So we will have like this kind of mountains and the land which is present here is called as valley. Okay, flat land at the foot of the mountains. Okay, so once a little pine tree grew in a valley. It was covered with needles. So what are needles? Leaves shaped like needles. So see, this regular leaves, we will have this kind of leaves or all these kinds of leaves. Okay, but this tree have like needles. Needles means long needles type. It have leaves. Okay, so that were always, it is covered with needles that were always green, beautiful and green. So the needles were very beautiful and they are green in color. Okay, but it did not like the needles. But the little pine tree did not like the needles at all. So the little tree said, all other trees in the woods have beautiful leaves. So all other leaves which are in the woods, that is, what is woods? It is forest. So they are having beautiful leaves, but I have only needles. So the little pine tree is thinking that all other trees in the forest have beautiful leaves, but I have only needles. I don't like needles. So the little pine tree did not like the needles. So she thought, I want to be more beautiful than other trees. So the tree thought that it wanted to be more beautiful than other trees. I don't want green leaves, I want gold leaves. So the tree thought that the tree thought that it don't want green leaves, it wanted gold leaves. So the little tree went to sleep. So the tree thought like that and the tree went to the sleep. Okay, a fairy happened to be passing by and she said to herself. So a fairy was passing by the tree and the fairy told that to herself that this little pine tree would like to have gold leaves. So shall it be? So the fairy fulfilled the little tree's wish. Okay, now the next morning the tree woke up and found that it was covered with leaves of shining gold. So the tree was covered with the leaves of the shining gold when it woke up from sleep. How beautiful, said the tree. No other tree has gold leaves. So the tree thought that it is very beautiful and no other trees in here have such gold leaves. Soon a man came by with a bag. So a man came by, he saw the gold leaves. So he saw the gold leaves of the tree and he ran to the little pine tree and began to pull them off. So he started to pull them off. Why? Because gold is very costly and gold is very precious. So the man, he took out the bag which he brought with him and he pulled all the leaves and carried them away with him. Okay, so the little tree was bare. So what is bare? Without any leaves. As the man plucked all the leaves, gold leaves, the tree became bare without any leaves. Okay, gold leaves are beautiful. So gold leaves are beautiful, but men carry them away. Why gold leaves are always beautiful, but why will men carry them? Because they are very precious. Okay, they are very costly and they are very precious. So people will carry the gold. So my old green needles were best. I wish I could have them back. So the little pine tree then realized that her old needles were better than these gold leaves. The little pine tree went to sleep. The fairy came by again and said, "This little tree found out that needles were best for it after all." So the fairy told that the tree realized that. What did the tree realize? That green needles were better instead of gold leaves, because gold leaves all the men will carry away. So green needles were best. So the fairy told, "It shall have them back." Means the fairy again fulfilled the wish of the little pine tree by giving it the green needles. So next morning the tree woke up and had the old green needles again. Again it had the old green needles. Then it was happy. Okay children, hope you understood the lesson. Now we will complete the exercises. Tick the right options to the answer these questions. The little tree grew in a beach valley. So it grew in a valley. The pine tree was covered with green needles, leaves. It was covered with needles. The pine tree wanted to be more beautiful than the other trees, the biggest tree in the valley. So it wanted to be more beautiful than the other trees. Next, put a tick against the sentences that are true or a cross against the sentences that are not true. So the fairy granted the pine tree's wish to have gold leaves. Yes. So keep a tick. The man took all the gold leaves. Yes, the man took all the gold leaves. The tree wanted gold leaves even after the man took all of them. No. The tree wanted back its needles. So it didn't want the gold needle. So the statement is wrong. The fairy granted the pine tree's wish the second time also. Yes, it granted its wish and gave its old green needle. So it is tick. The statement is correct. Okay. Now read these sentences. I shall go to museum today. I shall leave soon for Delhi. So the highlighted words shown the action that it will be done later. So it shows that the action will be done later. Okay. See, shall go, shall leave. Okay. So it is not yet done. It will be done in future. So it is not done right now, but it will be done in future. So these are called the action verbs, or action words are in simple future tense. So they are in simple future tense. Okay. So I shall come tomorrow. He will call us later. She will come back soon. They will buy a car next year. We shall visit Delhi next week. You will sing a new song in the evening. Okay. So all these are, all the highlighted words are simple future tense. Means they are not done right now, but they will be done later on. Okay. In these sentences, the action will be done later. So the action will be done later. Note how we use words. Shall for I. We use shall for I and we. So for in place of we and I, we use shall. We use will for he, she, they and you. Okay. So for I and we will use shall. For he, she, they and you, we will use will. Okay, children. So now write the verbs in future tense. So shall, shall, shall or will go. Shall or will play. Shall or will study. So children, these words write at the end same. So in between you have to write shall or will. shall, shall or slash will, will. Hop. Shall or will hop. Shall or will see. Okay. So now complete this table. I jump. I jumped. I shall jump. Here shall, because for we and I we will write shall, and for he, she, they, you we will write will. So here it is I. So it is shall. She comes. She came. She will come. So it is she. So it will come will. They call. They called. They will call. Because they means we will write will. We skip. We skipped. We shall skip. So we means shall. You help. You helped. You will help. Why? Because you means we have to write will. So they will call. W-I-L-L. Will. C-A-L-L. Call. Here you have this and spellings. Check here, children. Okay. We shall skip. S-H-A-L-L. Shall. S-K-I-P. Skip. If you have any doubt here, you can check the spelling. You will help. W-I-L-L. Will. H-E-L-P. Help. Okay. So, okay. Now children, open any book or write here. Okay. You can write here. Answer these questions showing the action in future. Use the hints in the bracket. When will you go to the mall? On brackets it is written Sunday. I shall go to the mall on Sunday. Okay, I shall go to the mall on Sunday. When will you buy your new cycle? So write children, write I-S-H-A-L-L, shall. S-H-A-L-L, shall. B-U-Y, buy. B-U-Y, buy. M-Y, my. N-E-W, new. N-E-W, new. C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. N-E-X-T, next. N-E-X-T, next. W-E-E-K-E-N-D, weekend. W-E-E-K-E-N-D, weekend. Okay. When will you buy your new cycle? I shall buy my new cycle next weekend. Okay. What will you give to your friend? In brackets, a book. I-S-H-A-L-L, shall. S-H-A-L-L, shall. G-I-V-E, give. G-I-V-E, give. M-Y, my. M-Y, my. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. A B-O-O-K, book. What will you give your friend? I shall give my friend a book. Who will teach you maths at home? Brackets, my father. My father. Father. Will. Teach. Teach. Me. Max. Home. Who will teach you maths at home? My father will teach me maths at home. Okay, children? Now, next. You have just read a story about tree. So, we read about the tree. Now, read the names of the other tree things that are found in nature. So, apart from trees, we can find mountain, river, ditch and grass in the nature. Okay. So, now match the nature words in column A with words related in column B. So, mountains means slopes. Mountains, slopes. Clouds, they will be in sky. Grass is very greenery. Rivers, water. Animals, they live in forest. Okay. Mountains, slopes. Clouds, sky. Grass, greenery. Rivers, water. Animals, forest. In the box or the names of things we find on earth, write them in right column. So here animals. Cow. Next, dog. D-O-G, dog. Okay, see the spelling here and write here, children. And next, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. They are the animals. Next, birds. Peacock. Okay. Crow. C-R-O-W, crow. Pigeon. P-I-G-I-O-N, pigeon. Insects. Bee. Next, mosquito, mosquito. mosquito, mosquito. Next, butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. So, bee, mosquito, butterfly are insects. Next, plants, tree. Next, shrubs, shrubs. And next, bushes, bushes, bushes. Next, water bodies, sea. Next, lake, L-A-K-E, lake. Next, river, R-I-V-E-R, river. So, animals, cow, dog, horse. Cow, dog, horse. Birds, peacock, crow, pigeon. Peacock, crow, pigeon. Insects, bee, mosquito, butterfly. Bee, mosquito, butterfly. Plants, trees, shrubs and bushes. Water body, sea, lake and river. Okay. Now underline the right words in these sentences. So animal sounds. The dog dash when it sees a stranger. So the dog barks. The dog will bark. The cat when it is happy. So the cat purrs when it is happy. The horse when it sees the farmer. The horse neighs when it sees the farmer. The lamb bleats when it sees its mother. The lamb bleats when it sees its mother. The bear growls when it is angry. The bear growls when it is angry. Match the animals in column A with the sounds they make in column B. So donkeys bray, snakes hiss, lion roar, elephants trumpet, monkeys chatter. So donkey bray, snakes hiss, lion roar, elephants trumpet, monkeys chatter. Complete these words with CH or TCH. So DITCH, 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 MATCH, 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 H-A-T-C-H, hatch. H-A-T-C-H, hatch. M-U-C-H, much. M-U-C-H, much. L-A-T-C-H, latch. L-A-T-C-H, latch. S-U-C-H, such. S-U-C-H, such. Okay, children. Hope you understood the lesson and the book exercises. Okay, once again read the lesson and complete the exercises. Thank you, children. Have a good day.